Guys, welcome to Fish Hook. I'm Charles. Forgive my voice. I'm having a pollen attack today. It's really doing a number on me. Today we're going to cut a turkey. We're going to bone it out. A whole turkey from the store. I bought a 9-pound organic turkey, frozen. Waited for it to thaw out, and it makes an excellent way to get the biggest bang for your buck. So I'll bring you in a little closer and we'll start the process. Well, here's the bird, pretty much dried out. The first thing we're going to do is cut through this loose skin so we can get the leg and the thigh to lay flat down. Okay. Same thing with this side. Okay. Got the legs down. And we want to, there's a bone, a joint right there. We want to remove this right on the knuckle. Let's flip her over. Here's what we're going to do. By doing that, splitting it backwards, I break the joint. I break the joint right there. Very easy to cut. Let's get this straight here. Very easy. There we go. You've got your breast and the leg together. And this is part of your backbone. So you got to use a little bit of English. Take it. Just, you'll hear it pop. There's the bone. That's what you want. That bone. Go. This one, I took a little bit of the backbone with me there, but that's a good breakdown. Now we're going to further break them down later between the leg and the thighs, because I like to cook them separately, but you can cook them together. It's not a problem. Then you've got your wings, so you want to be able to break them apart. And let's see if we can break. Let me do it this way. Let's get it. That's the joint. We want to snap that as well. Okay. Right there. There we go. Got to muscle a little bit, but you got the whole wing entirely. We'll do the other side. There we go. Get it right in that joint. And here you go. Got another full wing. Now, what we have left is the breast. There's a breast here and a breast here. This is the keel bone, which is the top of the backbone. We're just going to score this. And what we're going to do, we're going to try to peel off on either side of the keel bone, which is the backbone. We're going to try to scrape off as much meat as possible. You want to keep as little amount left on there and more on the breast. There we go. Got that skin. This is the side of your backbone. This is the wishbone underneath here. And we're going to cut this right off. There we go. Right, this is the wishbone. Let's see. All we're doing is carving it off the bone structure. There we go. There we go. One big, delicious breast. And that, you're leaving as little as possible. There's always a little bit of casualties, but now I'm going to go right against the backbone. There we go. Just scrape it clean. Another big breast. There. And what we did, we got a little piece there. All this is edible. We've got the backbone complete, the wings taken off. Now this can be broken very easily apart. That's your backbone. All right. There we go. Okay. Your backbone. Residual meat that's on this. Tons of meat here left. What we do with this and all these good pieces of meat, all can be cooked. This will go in a stock pot and with some vegetables. We'll still cut out, there's pockets of big meat right here that we will take out. And then we're going to get it as close to the bone as possible, and the rest of this will boil right off. So there you go. This is all the beautiful pieces of meat you get butchering a turkey yourself. And you get a whole lot more meat. You never see this when you go to the butcher, but this is the way to do it. And I've already taken the neck and the gizzard out because that was stuffed in here, as you guys well know when you buy a turkey. So there you go, deboning a turkey. Well, we just finished deboning the turkey. This one was inside the turkey, the neck, the heart, and the gizzard. There's a liver too. I don't eat the liver, but these are all going to go in here. And the purpose of this is to fill it up with water, and I'm going to salt it real heavily and do this for about a couple of days to draw all the blood infusion in the meat out. I want pure meat, I don't want blood. So this is a normal thing that I do after I bone out deer meat, any kind of animal that I've hunted, or if I bought it in this fashion. But that's a good thing to do, and it's called brining, and just regular iodized sea salt I use. And I refresh the water 2 or 3 days in a row and salt it heavily, stir it up real good, and then after about 3 days, it's ready to be cleaned up and ready to be processed, whether to be cooked or if you're going to freeze it at that point. Guys, thanks for checking out the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the content. Leave a like, that helps with the YouTube algorithm, and a comment if you desire. And if this happens to be your first time, thank you so much for checking us out. I hope you liked it. Smash that subscribe button and be sure to check out our YouTube channel on YouTube. We have over 100 videos posted. I think you'll like it. We had a blast making it, and we're off to make another one now, so we'll see you on the next one.